Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ella, and today I'm on the Disney Treasure. We're here on a 7-night cruise, and if y'all have been following along, you know we're here for the 4th of July and to see the new live action Moana. They're gonna premiere it here at sea, so we're gonna get to see that, which I'm so excited about. Stay tuned for all of those vlogs. But let me give you guys a tour of our room 11,000, which is, I think, my favorite room on this class of ship. So just some info on this room. This is a concierge stateroom, which means you have access to the lounge, but it sleeps up to 5 guests. You have 2 guests here, you have 1 on the couch that'll fold out, then you have 1 up high, and then another on the pull down bed, which I'll overlay a video of what that looks like so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like at night. But anyways, when you walk in, you have this really pretty carpet, which I love. It kind of reminds me of like fish or coral. It's super pretty, and there's even some hidden Mickeys in the carpet. But then on your right, you have the closets. So you have this little one here with a bunch of hanging space, some space up there, and even some shelves down below. And then you also have these here. There's this one with a bunch of shelves, a safe, and then 2 drawers down there. And then this bigger one that has a lot more hanging space. And you even get robes. Since you're in concierge, you get 2 of these cute robes. And then you have more storage up there, your life jackets, and then your ladder for your bed. These can fit a lot. This is 5 people's stuff for a 7-night cruise. So it is a lot of things. It's a little messy right now, but, and then on the other side, this is where like your master switch is for all the lights. You do need a key card, so you can either use your key card to your stateroom, or you can use just any sort of card and it should work. But then, like in Disney fashion, you have your split bathrooms, which I love. In the first room, you have your toilet, which is nice, and then you have your sink with even like a trash can at the bottom and a bunch of different shelves, some hooks. You even have even more shelves right over here. And then you also have this big mirror. And then on the other side, you have your shower and another sink. So you have your sink here. You even have some like storage down below for like some more towels or whatever you need. And then a trash can. And even more shelves. There's a ton of shelves, which is really nice because that way if you have a bunch of stuff like us, you can fit it all. And then another big mirror. And then the shower with this really pretty mosaic. Look at how pretty it is. You have Dory down there. You have Nemo's dad. And then you even have little Nemo up there. This is something that you only get in concierge. So the normal like ocean views and veranda rooms do not get these unless they're concierge. So you have like your tub shower combo. So you got your tub down here, and then you even have just a handheld shower. You also get a rain head. So if you're staying concierge, that's another perk, as well as, of course, the pretty mosaic. You also get this cute little soap. It's like has the soap on this side, but then it's like a little loofah on the back, so it has like a little scrub. So that's cute, and it has a little Mickey. You used to get the like little like Mickey sponges. We used to get those a lot, but now they've changed it to this, which is so cute. And some Elemis shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You don't get just the regular like H2O, you get the like upgraded version. Something also really nice is this opens and shuts both ways. So depending on how you want to get in and out of the shower, you can just open it both ways, which is perfect. Also, if you're wondering if you should bring shampoo and conditioner, for me, honestly, I would leave it out unless you have very, very specific shampoo and conditioners you want. I find that these work amazing and great, and I think they're perfect, and it'll save room in your suitcase. But if you have specific ones, then definitely bring them. Then on this door, you have this giant mirror, perfect for all your fit checks and stuff. And then moving on to the main room. We're gonna get to that in a second because that is the seller of the whole room. But this is a king bed. It's not a queen like a lot of the other ones. Here in concierge, you get a king bed, which is nice. And you get a different blanket. So normally it just has like the treasure, and it's a really pretty, just like a beige, but this one is more of like this really pretty blue silver, and the treasure's down here. So this is a different type of blanket than normal. You also can request pillows, so if you're like, I want a different type of pillow, like memory foam or all of that, you can ask your stateroom host or housekeeping, and they will bring you different pillows. That's another perk for concierge. You have your little drawer here that you can put stuff in, and then, like ours, we just have our leftover chocolate. And then you have a couple different outlets on this side, and then your little lamp. You even do have a little reading light, which is nice too, so if you want that. The artwork in this room is Nemo, which is super cute. I love it, it's so fun. And they even have a little artwork light, which is cool, so it'll reflect on it. But I think it's really pretty, and like the ocean. You have your TV. This is the one TV that you have like for the whole room. And then on the other side, you have another drawer, some more outlets. This one has a lot more outlets than the other side. And then, of course, the same lamp and little reading light. Then for this area, you have your table, your couch, which will fold down. You have this cute little artwork, which is cute. I like that one. It's all themed to Finding Nemo. And then you have the one up high. These two and that one will all come down, and they're all like single beds. So you'll have one here that'll fold down, one up high, and even on that side. And what's really cool about that side is not only is it a bed, you also have this little storage, so you can put a bunch more things, which as a family of 5 that travels with a lot of stuff, it's really nice to have a lot of storage. Also, if you're wondering, this room does have a connecting room, so if you wanted, you could buy the room next door and these two could connect. Otherwise, you don't have to worry about that. Then you have this whole vanity, which has a bunch of different drawers. They do have a blow dryer. I know you normally can't bring those on, so they do provide that for you. And then you have this fridge, which can be fully stocked. Diet Coke and Sprite and water and all sorts of different drinks that they have, and they will stock that for you with whatever you want. And then you just have a bunch of shelves. You can see how much you can really fit on it, all sorts of things. They do give you some glasses too. They give us 2 of these, and then we did have 2 of those as well. And then you have a bunch of chargers. You have these, those types, and then of course the one for like hair dryers. And you even have this cute little mirror here, which is cute. And of course a giant mirror with light that you can turn like on and off. And then you have some more storage, your phone, and recycling and trash bin. And then for the best part, in my opinion, of the entire room, these windows. This is absolutely amazing. And on port days and like just in general as you're cruising, today it's not a very pretty afternoon, but you kind of get the gist of it. Like, look at that. You are pretty much like dead center in the front of the ship, in the middle. Like, look at that. And there's 3 massive windows. So you have that one, you have this one, and that. They also have some curtains here, so you have your sheer ones, and then you also have the blackout ones as well, and you can just move them using these 2 switches over here. Yeah, and so you just get 2 little chairs so you can sit here. My sister also loves to sit here. It's like a little bench, and it's just so nice, and it's just so pretty. I'll have to overlay some things for you guys of like Tortola and St. Thomas and like just how pretty it can be. The sunsets, like it is just gorgeous. Oh, and by the way, the flowers do not come with the room, but you can buy all sorts of different onboard gifts, including these. They even have some food on there. They used to have a treasure speaker. I don't know if they still have it, but that one was really cute, and all sorts of stuff that will come to your room when you first get on the ship. Another thing I love about this room is just how big it is. It's not your average ocean view and veranda room where everything is pretty small and compact. You have a lot of room. Like, you guys are here, right? I can walk all the way over here. Look at how far this is. It's insane, and there's so much space. When I first walk in, I have a lot of space. Here, it becomes a little narrower, but not as bad, and then it opens up to be bigger and even bigger. But yeah, so that's a room tour of 11,000 here on the Disney Treasure. I hope you guys liked this video and maybe found it a bit helpful if you're trying to figure out if you want to stay in this room or not. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!